Hello everyone. This lecture is about operators, hierarchy and associativity. Now let's get into it. Hierarchy of operations. In a programming language, when an expression involves multiple operations, the hierarchy of the operations instructs the compilers and interpreters on the order in which the expressions has to be executed. What is precedence of operators? It is nothing but that determines the grouping of terms in an expression and decides how an expression is to be evaluated. Certain operators have higher precedence than the others. For example, the division operator, it has higher precedence than the addition operator. Next, what is associativity? It is very easy to explain. If precedence of the operators are same, in that case associativity came into picture. It is used when two or more operators are of same precedence. Now let's look into the table that contains the precedence and associativity of all the operators to be discussed. Topmost set of operators, they have almost higher precedence, while the bottom worst with least precedence. First of all, we can see parentheses, brackets, member access operators, postfix increment and decrement operators. Parenthesis is used in function call, and member access operators, they are used to access the members of structures. Next, precedence of postfix increment or decrement operator is greater than prefix increment or decrement operator. Apart from that, associativity of the postfix is also different from the prefix. Associativity of postfix operators is from left to right, and that of prefix is from right to left. Here, next we can see unary operators that contains bitwise negation, logical not, prefix increment or decrement, unary plus, unary minus, address, typecasting and so on, and all their associativity is right to left. Followed by that we have multiplicative that contains multiplication, division, modulus, whose associativity is left to right. And then additive that contains binary addition and binary subtraction operators. Their associativity is also from left to right. Then bitwise shift, relational, equality, bitwise AND, bitwise XOR, all their associativity is from left to right. Followed by that we have bitwise OR, logical AND, logical OR, conditional, assignment, comma, categories. Here the associativity of conditional operators is from right to left. Similarly, assignment operators is also right to left. Operators of same precedence have same associativity. This is necessary, otherwise there won't be any way for the compiler to decide, evaluate the order of expressions which have two operators of same precedence but different associativity. Next we can see comma, which is a separator of expressions. Comma has the least precedence among all operators so far we discussed, and it should be used carefully. Now let's look into an example. Here a is equal to 6 multiplied by 3 and subtracted by 2. This could be done in two ways. First, we are multiplying 6 and 3 and then subtracting with 2. So we get answer is 16. Or otherwise, we are subtracting 3 and 2 and then multiplying the answer with 6. The answer is 6. So far we have discussed about the precedence and associativity of all the operators. So it will be easy for us to analyze which will be the right answer. Either multiplying first and then subtracting, or subtracting first and then multiplying. Now let's see its analysis. Here value of a is assigned to be 16 because the operator multiplication has higher precedence than the operator subtraction. So first 6 is multiplied by 3, that is 18, and then we subtract it with 2, so we get the value as 16. Here is another example. Let a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4 and d is equal to 5. Here is an expression of a plus b multiplied by d minus c and modulus a. Here multiplication and division have higher precedence when compared to addition and subtraction. So first we are multiplying and then taking the modulus because their associativity is from left to right. So 5 into 3 is 15 and 4 modulo 2 is 0. Now we have the operators addition and subtraction. They both have same precedence. So we move on to their associativity, which is nothing but left to right. First we are adding a plus 15. That is 2 plus 15 is 17. After that, we are subtracting that value with 0. 17 minus 0 is 17. That is all about this lecture. Thank you.